Okay, here we are back at home, and I have 3 items that I need to make videos for. Actually, we might combine 2 of those and put 2 of those into one. Well, I got one box right here. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible in my fashion because I got stuff to do later. But this is another aesthetic mod, and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Had too much coffee. But let's just get this unboxed, and this is another carbon fiber piece. And I hope the mic sounds not cutting out on you, as I'm trying to do this in a hurry. Let me change the camera angle. Yeah, that's right. I took out the label because all you weirdos are probably gonna send me some whatever. But anyways, let's just get this out of the box. This is another carbon fiber piece that I got from Subispeed, so super fast shipping. Let's get this out the box. You guys are gonna see this at the same time I am, so if there's any defects or anything wrong with the product, I have it documented. So this we don't need. Just like in the last video, look, check this out, more double-sided tape. Hey, but I saw quite a few people actually have this, and I think a couple of you guys recommended this to me, so I went ahead and got this on order. Said screw it, why not? I've been wanting something like this ever since I had the WRX, and when they released it long time ago. So actually, there might be quite a few of you out there that already have this product. But I'm gonna be honest with you, so man, all this visual stuff, I can't wait to start doing the performance stuff again. Just trying to order everything, you know, and there's double-sided tape. Just trying to order everything, and man, it's just gonna take some time. I don't wanna just tune one thing and then, God, get out of here. You know, I just want to get everything and tune everything all at once. So that's my reasoning for not having all the performance mods, and I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. Dude, I don't want to cut anything. I don't want to scratch anything. So excited. Always excited to get new parts in the mail. Especially when you're gone all week and you know you have parts just waiting for you. It's the weekend. I only have a couple days to do all these installs and whatever. Man, it's just exciting. Just a working man, right? All right. Enough of that nonsense. Let's just get this out and install it. This is a super duper easy. Ooh, hey, I lost my concentration. This is one of those installs that are gonna be super duper easy. Anyone can install this. Pretty much any Joe Schmo with more than 2 brain cells can get this installed. And yes, what you see here is a roof spoiler in carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber to be exact. And that is the reason why we have this nice double-sided tape. So I assume that's gonna go at the bottom. That's gonna stick on the back window. Of course, in my fashion, I'm gonna get this ceramic coated, but I'm gonna do that off camera. And then we're gonna get this installed. Since this is a super duper easy install, I might include the other product in this same video. So let me just show you up close what we got. Let me know if you guys see any defects or anything. Okay, so next thing we gotta do, we gotta install the adhesive on the back of the roof spoiler. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol, but I'm gonna fast forward through all this so you guys, I'm not boring the hell out of you guys right about now. Install the adhesive as you saw in the time lapse, and I used up the whole entire roll. So just for added security, so this thing doesn't fly off when I'm going 65 miles an hour down the freeway, 65. But yeah, let's just get this installed. Next thing I gotta do is clean off the surface area of the back window, and then we'll just get this test fitted and installed. That's right, super duper easy install. No tools needed. Well, actually, you just need a knife to cut the tape and some isopropyl alcohol in a rag, and that's all you really need. So next thing we gotta do, let's give it a good old test fit. I should have done this before, but I didn't. Oh well. Let's see if oh dude, check that out. It's gonna fit just fine. Huh? That looks pretty cool. I don't know why I waited so long to get this. Let me just get this temporarily adhered. If I had 2 people, it'd be much easier, so I can easily align it better. So I'm trying to do this with 1 person, is a pain in the butt. So now I'm just gonna take the rest of adhesive and prep it for final installation. So what I do, I don't take the whole entire backing of the adhesive off. And this is the part I hate. Hate doing that part, never works out for me. All right, guys, I kind of messed up the install. It was off to the right just a little bit, and I just couldn't take it. I had to redo it. So I went to the store, got some automotive super strength molding tape. You can get this at AutoZone or wherever. So it's about 12 bucks, but oh well, it's totally worth it. I just can't stand it if it's off just a little bit. That's just me. All right, roof spoiler is fully installed, and one thing that I noticed off the bat is the 3M adhesive is definitely a lot stronger than the one it comes with. So if you want to upgrade the adhesive, just a little bit added security, just spend the $12 and get the 3M adhesive. So I'm just wiping it down with some alcohol. I did just give it a nice 1-step polish with the polisher, because as you guys know, I am gonna coat this real quick. It should only take a few seconds, and we should be done with the install. Put a little bit on the window since it's just gonna dry up. Might as well put it to use. So I did. Oh, actually, I did polish the window. So actually, what I did off camera was I did polish the window because the back window was or is ceramic coated. So I figured, you know what, might as well give it a nice polish to polish off that old ceramic coating in order for this to adhere good. Oh man, it is cold out here. We're out at the usual spot, but ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The roof spoiler, Roof RUF spoiler is fully installed and it's not going anywhere. I had no issues with fitment. Absolutely love the way it looks. If you're interested in this product, I highly recommend you to visit the link in the description below. And yeah, overall, I can't really say much about it. No issues with the install other than an error on my part where I installed it a little bit that way a little bit. So now it's recentered with some stronger tape and I'm totally happy with the results. But yeah, but to be totally honest with you, I don't know, it might be a little too much with the RS style gurney flap. That might be taken off. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. But anyways, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your guys' support. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. I'm not trying to be some big YouTuber or anything like that. I'm just here, just trying to document my experience with the Subaru and I just want to have fun with it. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching and we'll talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys. All right, guys, so here we are. We got a little small project for you and we're gonna switch out the exhaust on Jeff's car to the Perrin dual tube exhaust. So he's gonna get a taste of what it's like to have a quiet car yeah, instead of a loud, obnoxious exhaust, which is, you can see right there, that's the internet's favorite exhaust, the Tomei. Hopefully it's not cracked, bro.
Hopefully not. We'll find out. It's been rattling a little bit recently.
Uh-oh. But we got the car on the quick jacks and we're about to lift it up.
Yep. Obnoxious.
So we're gonna start Jeff's car with just the J pipe on there, no catback or nothing. It's probably gonna be loud. Not that loud. Oh. Well, it's a warm start. That turbo whistle, man, I love it.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's a lot more apparent, that whistle on yours than it is on mine.
Definitely.
That's for sure. All right, so this is probably one of the easier exhaust systems to install. These just have simple slip fittings. So you bolt that up to your J pipe, and then these pipes just slip into these little thingamabobbers. It's super duper easy. Probably have to be done in like 20 minutes.
Yep.
Dual tube exhaust installed on Subaru Wrx with a catted J pipe. So probably be a little bit louder if it was catless, huh?
Yeah.
So there you go. All right, Jeff, ready to do the honors? See how quiet it is?
Yep.
Might surprise you.